green eggs and ham. I will not eat them, Samaya. You let me be. Try them. We don't like eggs and ham. Here, try them. If you let me be, I will try them. It's like this. Okay. Okay. If you leave me alone, I'll try. I like them. Thank you, Sam. I will eat them. Thank you, Sam. I will eat them. I will eat them everywhere. Thank you, Sam. I will eat them in a boat. I will eat them everywhere. The end.
Brandon, that was amazing. You are such a good reader.
Thank you. Well, where's Michelle?
Michelle is in her room.
Huh?
Michelle is in her room.
Huh?
Michelle is in her room, boy.
Is Michaela in her mama's room too?
Mm-hmm.
You wanna hear me you wanna hear me read the story again?
Of course.